Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. From the title of the video, you already know where I am. And I am dead. Decided to film a little bit for you. I just landed, departed from Dubai at 2 a.m. and I landed at 7 p.m. in Korea. This is worth it because it's gonna be a 50-hour layover. I already have my plan, not the full plan. I already know where I am going and what I am buying. Tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna take you with me. Go to Olive Young to buy some skincare. For the saying of skincare, let's do some skincare together. We're just gonna do some hydration and vitamin C, my lash serum, and that's it. And I'm going to sleep. I made a tea. This is hot. It's hot, it's really hot. Korean pot tea. And this is the cup. Made some chamomile tea. It's Ahmad tea. Actually, I have another one here. This chamomile tea is the best. This is the chamomile tea that got me into chamomile. It tastes so good and so sweet. Ahmad tea, they have amazing teas. So guys, try it. If you see, I tried the green tea. I didn't like it, to be honest. But this one, and there is one flower and one with lots of fruit. They are amazing. I love a chamomile tea before sleep. I bought the original chamomile from Istanbul. So delicious. With no further ado, let's do some skincare. With some castor oil around my eyes. It is good for hydration and it is good for lashes and eyebrows growth. And for my lashes, I'm gonna double it with a lash serum because I am trying to grow my lashes. Just lost a nail in the shower, so you're going to see me without a nail the whole video. Normal hydration creams, they don't give you the necessary hydration for your face when you are in a high altitude cabin. But this one is designed for a high altitude cabin, so it works in the air and on ground. I love this one. Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum. This is to fade the dark spot and hyperpigmentation. And if you know the sandwich method, that's what I am doing now. You put a hydration cream, then the product, then a hydration cream. It will give you the benefit, but it's not going to be as harsh on your skin. Lash serum. If you are trying to grow your lashes and you're no long for lashes, girl, what are you doing? The Nivea Balm. I'm going to have like a 10-hour nap. Then I will see you in breakfast. Good morning. It's currently 6:14. And I've been awake for 4 hours already. I slept 6 hours. Last days I'm having trouble sleeping. Waiting for the breakfast. I didn't start my day yet, but I am tired and I don't have anything in my stomach. If you watch my China vlog, you know I'm not a fan of Asian food. Korean food is different. Let's try something new this time. Forgot to tell you guys, from 1 to 10, how stupid do you think I am? I would say 11. And guess what I did? I packed 3 outfits. And I forgot to pack shoes. Taking myself to breakfast with these. Came back from breakfast. I met a Tunisian girl. We had a flight together before. We were talking for like 1 hour and a half. Take a shower, get ready, and we go to Olive Young together.
cry. Speechless.
I swear to God, I am scared. Then I cannot talk anymore. My eyes are watery. Have a look. No joke.
I just came back from Olive Young and it was so overwhelming. Amount of skincare and the things that I used to see online, I saw it now in front of my eyes, and it was one of the moments that you just stop and you thank God for everything that you have. And they have amazing ratings for it. I got these for my travels. I'm gonna put conditioner, my shampoo, and my shower gel in here. This is the 2024 winner in toner pad. Kombucha is probiotics, and this is good. I talked about it in my video too, about I talked about probiotics too in my previous video for the whatever my body went through. I got other things for snacks. For example, when I went to China, I loved the mango. I got it again. And I bought one covered in chocolate. We'll taste test them in the next video. Dried mandarin. For today, I am going to edit my Istanbul vlog. Some products I didn't show you guys because I'm going to film for you, and we will taste test things and we will try the skincare together, and I will tell you exactly what is it for. Happy and excited for the shit that I'm going to be using. And I am so looking forward for my face to go back to normal. Please God, please, I miss my face. Going now to have some Korean barbecue. I don't want to speak so loud because I am literally walking the hotel. The restaurant I am going to, it closes at 9:30 and now it's 8:43 and I have to take a taxi for like 10 minutes. I didn't book the taxi yet because this hotel has two sides, the western and the main entrance. Yes, for the Uber.
Now we're in the east tower, so this one.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
그냥 와가지고 쳐 울면 돼, 간단하게. 내 동네 와가지고 쳐 울어.
I really love how clean they are. Even on the flight, they were so clean. They were collecting rubbish in the bag, all of them together. They were helping each other. They were amazing, to be honest. Amazing. Oh my God, amazing. This should be one of the best that I've ever tried. Vegetables. So good. Oh my God. Guys, I 200% recommend this restaurant. Thank you so much, Dania, for telling me the name of this restaurant. Amazing food. I am so in love with Tunisian cuisine and Italian cuisine and French patisserie that I wasn't allowing myself to try other things. I found my favorite combo. Some meat, the spicy thing. And this. One thing I didn't try yet is the kimchi soup. This is the best kimchi soup I've ever tried. I think if they try lablebi, they will love it. Stay tuned, more content is coming. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And watch this video next. Bye! See you soon!